What is going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we're going to continue off in yesterday's video. You can see yesterday we ended the video discussing that if you can't see this breakout coming, I feel bad for you. As you can see, we had a bullish pattern here, kind of a bull flag formation, lower high, lower low patterns here, capitalizing off the possible break once we confirm closure above that price ceiling. And check it out. It happened as of today, and we're already in it for some profit, which is exciting. You can see the flag pull up, the lower high, lower low pattern filling in the gap. We just brushed oversold on Solana's bottom floor here, and you can see that breakout is actually starting to take place as we speak. This is very exciting. You can see the consolidation that's taking shape right now, and here is that rally reversal back to the upside. So more than likely, we're going to continue this pattern upwards. Yes, we're going to have some resistance, some turbulence, a little bit here. We might consolidate, but inevitably we are now due for this next reversal back to the upside here. So this is awesome. This is huge news, and this is very exciting for not only Solana, but the other cryptocurrencies too, because it won't just be Solana seeing that reversal. We should start to see this pattern happen in a lot of the other major cryptos. XRP, Ethereum looks like it's about to start it. Bitcoin looks like it's about to start it. And I'm very excited to see how these tend to move over the next couple of hours, if not over the next couple of days, within most of these major cryptocurrencies. More so even with Ethereum. You can see Ethereum's already starting to breach that price ceiling right here as we speak. And there's a good chance it's going to start to swing to the upside. So we might be able to enter a trade on Ethereum in the next couple of hours if we just pay close attention to the Ethereum chartings here. So I'm excited to see the results of that. Anywho, with that being said, make sure to smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's jump right into today's episode. Super quick though, before we dive into the technical analysis, remember FAIRDESK is giving away up to $100K in free bonus money to whales if you are one, or just ordinary normal traders here. They have at a minimum $100K bonus, and that goes to 1,500, 2K, so on and so forth here. More information about FAIRDESK's free cryptocurrency is in the link down in the description below here. Also, FAIRDESK, you can copy some of my trades as well by signing up to FAIRDESK with the link down below, and then typing in Crypto TV, one word, and you can find me and start copying my trades, which is also super cool. So make sure to check that out with that link down below. Anywho, diving into today's video, you can see the Solana breakout has already started, and I'm very excited to talk about this. I've said it consistently here on the channel that Solana loves their kind of bull flag formations here. You can see this lower high, lower low movement, the flag pull up. And typically we breach through price ceiling, we rally to the upside here. And this has happened consistently and consecutively on Solana's charts. Here's another previous one, lower high, lower low pattern. We broke through price ceiling, we rallied up. And here we are with the next one that's happening right now. Lower high, lower low. We just breached it today, and this is now going to start our ascent to the upside here, which is very exciting. Now, keep in mind, it's not going to happen overnight. We're not just going to straight moon blast like this. It's not going to happen. However, it is going to start an ascent here. You can see very similar with the previous kind of bull flag that happened here. It does take a couple of days, but inevitably it does rally upwards here. So just for reference, if we take, let's say, like a ghost bars pattern, for you guys to just pay attention to, we'll take what is this, ghost feed right here, and we'll pull this to maybe right here. You can see, ooh, that's not what I wanted to do. I'm gonna have to delete that, and it is bars pattern. Let's go back to here, and we take it from, let's say, point of breakout here to right here, and we extend this over to this breakout. You can see quite clearly what something would look like, and this would meet us all the way up to the all-time high price right here. So you can see it's not just going to be an explosion upwards. It's going to take a couple of days. It could take easily into July, mid-July, for us to hit all-time high or retest prior highs here. But that is the direction that we're headed to, which is so important. This is now starting its ascent. We might see a little bit of consolidation as we've seen before, but look at the direction. We will be seeing that reversal to the upside, and this is very good news. Now, I think when I plan on getting back into this, you could buy in aggressively here, but for me, once above this moving average, this price ceiling, that's going to be that opportunity for me to take advantage of it. We already have a bullish cross on the MACD here. We're already trading at 50 on the RSI. I'm looking for closure above price ceiling for me to buy in and leverage to the upside. So until that happens, I'm going to sit tight, but I do highly suspect that it will. Now, what's even cooler beyond just Solana here is other cryptocurrencies look to be doing that too. It is bullish, and this should be proof enough that we can still see breakouts to the upside, even in this kind of stagnant market that we're in. And that also applies itself to XRP as well. Now, obviously, XRP has a bit more consolidation to take place here. I'm going to scale this lower for the time being. But inevitably, what we're looking for in this kind of descending broadening wedge here, this kind of lower high, lower low pattern, is us to close above this price ceiling here. These kind of descending broadening wedges typically are bullish. So we're looking for some consolidation, closure above this resistance here, and an expectation of a rally to the upside. And it should happen pretty quickly once we get confirmation outside of that resistance. Otherwise, we need to kind of cross this bridge, trend out of it, and then we can get that rally to the upside that we're all so patiently waiting for here. This consolidation, closure above this, and then a rally to the upside is what I'm looking for, and hopefully we see that as well. Anywho, moving forward from XRP's pattern and looking at these other cryptos, so Ethereum looks very similar to Solana in regards to that bull flag and that breakout that we're expecting here. Ethereum looks like it is just starting to see its ascent, which looks really cool. We have a beautiful bull flag up. And very similar to what happened with Solana, I would suspect it to happen with Ethereum too. Lower high, lower low pattern. We're just now starting to tip above that resistance. Keep in mind, we were near oversold. We're using moving average as a support, price floor as a support, downtrend right here. And you can see we're just starting to breach above it. And there's a good chance we are going to continue that rally to the upside here very quickly. And I'm excited to see how this pans out because this is bullish. This is extremely bullish that we're going to start to see some runs to the upside. So let it pan out a bit more. Let's see where we close. And then we will dive into this too. Same thing with Solana here, but just keep in mind, this is that breakout with this confirmed approach above this resistance, something we've been in a lower high, lower low pattern with for who knows how long. This is now going to start that ascent to the upside. So I'm excited for practically all these cryptocurrencies, especially Solana and Ethereum here, as they're going to start their reversal rally to the upside. We're looking at Bitcoin to see a similar pattern. It almost looks like we're seeing some sort of symmetrical triangle here, a much smaller one, something like this. And maybe even something like this. For the time being, you can see when I jump to the daily, you can see this kind of little bit of consolidation, almost something over here. And if I pull back to the 4 hour, you can kind of see this kind of very tiny fractal that's forming here. And it's nothing that I would be paying close attention to because it's way too risky. And inevitably, this kind of consolidative, constrictive pattern is all happening within a much bigger descending fractal here. We're near oversold. So what we're looking for is actually closure on Bitcoin outside of these resistances and outside of this moving average. We can get above that, we will be seeing an immediate reversal. And it's not even a breakout. It's literally just a healthy incline back up to normal levels that I like to see us move to here. Like Solana and XRP and Ethereum and Bitcoin are all undervalued. So a correction back up is normal. It's not a breakout. In a sense, it is a breakout to the upside, but what I'm saying is it's just bringing us back to a more normal level for the markets that we were previously at. Same thing with Ethereum and a lot of these crypto here. I would not be surprised if we see that. So you can also see, check it out. I mean, it hasn't happened yet on Ethereum, but look, here's the first breakout. Or here's the first bull flag breakout. Here we are following up with our second one. So this is going to spike up, and this can be very aggressive on Ethereum too, which is very exciting. So history is clearly repeating itself, but on a smaller scale, which is totally cool. So keep your eyes peeled on the market today as Solana is already starting its ascent, which is very exciting. We're going to see the same thing happen with Ethereum very soon. As for the S&P, very good chance we're now creating this kind of higher low continuation, and we might actually be reversing to the upside, which is nuts. But we'll see if it happens. But with that being said, smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.